Menteri Ketenaga Kerja Kong Aprindo kalau orang bagas kerja kalau butang man Sdang no gejing ya kelas Pule Doktor Shillong Medical College Mynta Snem aja lapusan ya kene ka penting bapak yang rebat hau ai mata kesini halo gejing kli ke belawan la Doktor muko sang ma halo kene ka kam ka Kong Aprindo ka itu bagas soka ka penkela ya ka Parsial Institute kum ka Administrative Block kat bai giwe pat kin don kam kadang pen khlai sai kanang ban pen ulong yang ka kam kum balabu ya kapor kalau orang bakal sibun bagi kam gi bakal soka kadang lek menta bat kam kadang ya sia-sia kalau itu doba kasoka kada penyesok bat kanihu berkadang ap jingwan jingok naga MMC ban pai jing bit jing bang jong kani
Women run Shillong Medical College with the objective of strengthening medical education and enhancing healthcare services within the state. All the preparing steps underway to start the first batch during this academic year, subject to approval of the NMC, sir.
Your supplementary.
Mr. Speaker, sir, while I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for replying, reflecting the measures being taken, but it's little not clear. There is no clarity. Where are we as of now? We understand that the effort and intent of the government is to start the academic session from the current academic session. But are we really prepared enough? What are those steps which are referred to here as all the preparing steps? What are those steps?
So number A, the Pasteur Institute is being converted into an academic block. So that is the first thing. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. So now we need to look at the number of beds as per NMC criterions. So we've said there was no need to invest so much money. If you remember in the earlier proposal, there was a big financial implication. And to operationalize this medical college in Shillong, there was no need for us to invest. There were committees instituted, there were studies conducted, there was a lot of debate and discussion already initiated on this matter. Cost of medical studies. The moment you say private institution, we will always look at what is this private institution asking for. So we understand that there is anxiety and anxiousness, but the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required. And then we've looked now at what are the infrastructure requirements. What is the cost that will be actually incurred to develop a brownfield project of this kind. So then we've also looked at when is the NMC coming? Are we ready for the NMC to come? We've gone ahead and we've looked at the requirement of professors. We've gone ahead and we've sat in the cabinet to look
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have not asked the problems associated, the challenges associated with the establishment of the respect to establishment and with the intent to give fruition to your ambition of ensuring that the academic session starts from the current year. That's the question.
So we have done all of this.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would urge the Honourable LO to be patient to listen to the reply. The Honourable Minister is giving exactly that reply. The problem was that there's the issue of manpower. She's explaining the steps that have been taken and now the manpower issue is resolved. There's the issue of space, and she's mentioned that there's steps have been taken to address the issue of the manpower, of the infrastructure. So she's precisely replying to what the Honourable LO has asked. So I would request through you that to allow the member to allow the minister to give the detailed reply, because that's how we'll be able to clarify the entire situation.